In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use redirect rules to redirect your domain using Cloudflare. Whether you're an experienced webmaster or just starting out, this video will guide you through the process in a few straightforward steps to ensure your domain redirection is smoothly executed. First, start by heading over to the Cloudflare website. It's the central hub for managing your domains and implementing the powerful tools Cloudflare offers. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Cloudflare's homepage. This is where you'll connect all the behind-the-scenes elements that make your website run effectively. Once you're there, notice the top right corner. Click on Log In. Make sure you use the appropriate credentials to access your account, ensuring that you have the necessary permissions to make changes to the domain settings. After logging in, your Cloudflare account home screen will be your next destination. The home screen is specially designed to give you a bird's-eye view of all your domains and ongoing services. Find and select the specific domain you want to set the redirect rule for. This action will take you to the domain-specific dashboard where all settings and options related to that domain are present. Now, let's progress to setting up the redirect rule itself. Look for the Rules section in the dashboard menu. This is the area where you can manage page rules and redirect strategies. Click on it to reveal your rules management interface. Once inside the Rules section, the next move is to click on Page Rules. Think of these page rules as conditions or logic that direct how your web traffic is managed and navigated based on your specified settings. To create a new rule, find and click Create Page Rule. This will lead you to a page where you'll define which URLs need redirecting and to where. Click on the URL field to input the address of the page you want to redirect. Enter the desired URL format. Ensure it matches the page you wish to redirect from. It's important to keep in mind the structure of your URL at this stage, as it will determine the accuracy of your redirect setup. Consider using wildcards if you need to set rules applying to broader ranges of URLs under the same domain. These steps allow for precise control over traffic direction and help ensure visitors and search engines are reaching your intended destination without hitches. After entering the URL, the rest of the page rule settings will guide you on specifying the ultimate destination and additional parameters tailored to your needs. Once you have inputted all necessary information, confirm the setup by saving or enabling the rule. And that wraps up our tutorial on redirecting your domain with Cloudflare. Your domain is now set to seamlessly redirect, enhancing your site's navigability and user experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your domain management a little easier.